ऐसा लगने लगा है कि मैं इस फिल्म के प्रचार में अकेला ही आके प्रेजेंटेशन करता रहता हूँ बार बार. बट this is the CD, जब तक है जान. So this is out in the markets today, and what we are doing here today is to introduce to everyone hopefully a song which is extremely soulful. The film is like that. जो गाना है वो इसी बात को दर्शाएगा कि जैसी फिल्म का पूरा फील है कि the film is about the intensity of love, but made in a very contemporary style. And I think the contemporary part is more Katrina Kaif and Anushka Sharma than me. And that kind of brings a little bit of coolness and hipness to the film. But essentially, it's Mr. Yash Chopra film as it should be. The song is, as you might have heard, some of you, because the music is out, called Saans, which means the breath of love is how I see it. और क्योंकि लड़की की आवाज़ में है तो मुझ पर ज़्यादा पिक्चराइज नहीं किया गया. I insisted also एक दो बार, but यश जी का प्यार मेरे एक हद तक ही रहता है, उसके बाद नहीं करते. So the song is on Katrina Kaif, and because she's away shooting Dhoom 3, so she is going to join us from Chicago on Skype, and hopefully we'll be able to beat technology for once here and get her on time. Hello, hi Katrina, can you?
Yes, I can see you, I think.
Hi, how wonderful you look, even though I haven't slept all night.
Yeah, I'm not too sure if I believe you.
But no, you can ask all of them, all the people here can see you.
तेरी आँखों की नमकीन गुस्ताखियाँ. Now you know it's me.
Yes, I know it's you.
Yeah?
Do you want to share the story of that dubbing as well?
No, I just want you to know it's me and you don't mistake. I love you, Katrina. Like, well, okay. All right, so when we're doing the song, it was really cold, extremely cold, and as it always happens, the girls do wear smaller dresses in songs than boys do. And I think the two of the bravest people in those nights, which was I think -2, -3, maybe Chicago was colder, but it was extremely cold, very windy, and it was on a water next to a water body. I know, actually on the Thames, I think. So it was really cold.
It's called a river.
It's a river, yeah. It was a river. And हिंदी में बता क्या बोलते हैं? नदी किनारे हमने वो गाना किया था. और
that's original. Thanks.
Of course, as you know, there are 5 or 6 songs. There's Challa, which has already come out. There is Saans. There is Ishq Shava, which I think will be the next one, if I'm not mistaken. There is GRA, and there is a slow song called Heer, and then of course the title track Jab Tak Hai Jaan. So it's all in the album there, and like I said, Rahman Saab, Gulzar Saab, Yash Ji, I think it's a mix of contemporary, modern method of showing love, while the soul still belongs to the era that Yash Ji belongs to. So it's a great mix.
Yes, it's been my first romantic song. I think in a Yash Chopra film and with Shah Rukh, I think I also had so many, I'd built it up so much in my head. What's it going to be like? And it has to compare to all the other, legendary romantic songs that Yash Ji has done with Shah Rukh and with other actresses. So you do have that pressure, but I think just being on that set, Yash Ji makes you feel that there's nobody else who can do it except you, and he gives you so much support. And Shah Rukh taught me a lot in the film. I do know he was always telling me things and teaching in a good way, but I can't remember exactly what particular. Okay, I do remember one thing. In a lot of shots, he was always telling me to put my chin down and look up. So I'm learned to do that. I think it has something.
Show the look to everyone. Come on, chin down, look up. Dun. Yeah. See how romantic and nice you look now, like that. Yeah, that's the one. Don't use it in any other film, okay?
No.
In other films, every film you do, chin up and look down. Okay? My film, chin down and look up. जब तक है जान, मैं आप लोगों की सेवा करना चाहूँगा फिल्मों में अच्छा काम करके. मैं तो मोटरसाइकिल पे अकेला ही घूमता हूँ दोस्त. लड़कियों के लिए मेरे पास गाड़ी है. क्या इसी स्टाइल पे तो लड़कियां मरती हैं यार. तू शाहरुख मोपेड लेके आ रहा है लड़कियों को उठाने के लिए यार.
So definitely Shah Rukh is somebody I always aspired and wanted very much to work with. And in fact, there were many times where you would interact at a conference or not a conference. What do we call them?
Function.
Awards.
Say conference
ceremony.
only sounds more intelligent. Conference.
Sorry, awards ceremony or something, and the conversation would come up, and there were many times I thought that I didn't think that we would ever do a film together. I didn't think it would happen.
Challa ki labda phire. It's not Challa ki labda phire. I think it's very nice. Rabbi, I've heard his songs before. I think this is one of the first times that he's done a playback for anyone. I think he's got one of the Sufiest, most beautiful, smooth voices. And I'm really nobody to choose the people who do sing for me. I think when you have someone like Mr. Yash Chopra, when you have A.R. Rahman Saab, when you have Gulzar Saab, and even otherwise, any director, I have never suggested a voice for myself. A lot of wonderful singers have sung for me. And I think it's really, really fantastic that Rabbi has sung the song for me. And when I was singing it, I sing my song out. I normally don't ever mouth it. I sing the song out. And I feel the song. And to be really honest, the way Rabbi has sung it, and I'm, जो जिस लड़की के दिल को भाए मेरी उम्र, वही उम्र का मैं हूँ. आपको मैच्योर आदमी अच्छे लगते हैं तो मैच्योर हूँ. आपको झल्ले अच्छे लगते हैं तो मैं झल्ला हूँ. आपको बचकुंडा अच्छा लगता है तो मैं बचकुंडा हूँ. जो अच्छा लगे. मेरा दिली तमन्ना ये है. So what do you think? How old am I playing in the film?
I've not slept all night. I think it's pretty good for not sleeping all night.
Can you describe the picture to us? Why has the song Saas invoked you to? Oh, that's me?
This is you.
Okay, the hair is the same, yeah?
Yeah, this is you. This is you singing Challa, because you and the lady were talking about singing Challa. And
okay.
This is the bridge that you were singing in front of when I walked to you. And these are flowers just because I ran out of things to draw.
Okay. Can you while we're doing the last question, even if it's for you, can you draw yourself in that picture?
I will just do that now.
Okay,
I was
so
thinking
while
the same
she's
thing.
doing the last fan of singers, I've always said this the other day also, that I think the only direct gift of God to mankind is the ability to sing and to do music. The rest of the talent, I think, can be honed and learned. So anyone who can sing is just right there in my way of thinking. And I think for me, Muhammad Rafi Saab and Kishore Kumar Saab, I've grown up, and even Hemant Kumar ji. So I don't know, the songs, you tell me, Hemant Kumar song? Anyone?
तुम पुकार लो, maybe, yeah.
बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए. See, this one तो suits me, यार. And Kishore Kumar साहब, कौन सा? चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में. And Mohammad Rafi साहब. हाँ, that's my favorite song, यार. अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी. Katrina. Goa painting हुआ हमारा. So yeah, I think these, old song programs come in. This is really cool. I really like to listen. And on my laptop, this is not my laptop. That's why it was cutting off. But on my laptop, the maximum number of songs are actually from Mohammad Rafi Saab and Kishore Kumar Saab. Yeah. Katrina, painting time. अच्छा.
That's me.
अपना फिगर तो बहुत अच्छा बनाया तूने यार. हाँ? ये तो कमाल है.
Bye everybody. And I didn't apologize in the beginning, but my sincere apologies for not being able to actually be there. And I hope you liked the song. I hope you liked the video. And I hope you understood what I said, because it's very late at night. So if I said anything which doesn't make sense, I apologize. And I hope everyone likes the song. And thank you so much. And see you soon.
But why aren't you here?